SI Main Stage.
To make it out here under all this pressure, with the culture, work, pain, and constant stressor. If I'm remembered by anything, let this be the message. Remember me by the first kid who big depression, coming from a family invented the breath of Annie and all the sweet candy. The fix creep, but the landing is heavy. Understand me? I'm talking about my expanding. I could be grand me, I could win Grammys if I keep the momentum and lose the bare brain like why. I don't need this mess to mess in my journey towards the sky. No top of the double mind, no type of questioning why. Got the answers inside you through the fire, let it burn. You can spend your life worrying about no one getting hurt. That's impossible, no it's your precious time here on earth. Stop the excuses, I know your mind is elusive. I know the thoughts are intrusive, I know the past is abusive. But now you're strong enough, yeah you're old enough. If you love the kid, you can be bold enough for a fresh start, never fall in that dark, never that down. Call it light, shit from the hot shot.
I'll fall in love for myself. I'll fall in love for myself. I'll fall in love for myself. I'll fall in love for myself.
This body never got love, that's all I know. No need to put on a smile, put on a show. The voice inside of my mind, it's time to go, or change it to a friend from a foe. I'm a greedy with kindness, I'ma open the door. If it ever comes knocking, there's no anger no more. But I need to keep on loving like I never before. Not you dare make me feel this is not me at all. Cause there's space for me to change and slowly grow into my brace. All that I should know I'm here to face. Find the greatest love of all, my own embrace. Once that I'm there, that is the end of the chase. And I'm whole, nothing can stop me except me, but that is the goal. Not to accept me and let me get back to my soul. I will try my hardest, if I have to I will crawl. This is it, I'll get my all for this, I'll get my all.
I'll fall in love for myself. I'll fall in love for myself. I'll fall in love for myself. I'll fall in love for myself.
That was a long journey, a lot of tossing and turning, a lot of bridges burning, a lot of me hurting before it got better. I had to write some letters, I had to get even sadder. A matter, hug me like a sweater, I care. Find this kind of hair and now I know how to repair. With love making up for all the times I wasn't there. Because there were so many things I couldn't bear at all. I'm not scared no more, but I know this is not the end of the fight. It will take a whole life or two, and that's alright. To be truly alive, I had to forgive the child, love the child inside.
Love the child, 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 love the child inside. I'll fall in love for myself. 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 I'll fall.
Radio SI Main Stage.